Many of the women simply believed that if they came forward, they would not be believed. They felt that nothing would actually happen and that any complaints would just cause more problems for them. So during the course of this investigation, a lot of this case was about getting these individuals and these women to trust our office, to know that we were going to do what we could to hold the defendant accountable for his actions.
And in order to gain that trust, it took some time. It took us sitting down with these women and letting them know that our purpose in this case was to do justice. I have engaged in counseling, but the counseling has only been effective momentarily. It doesn't erase my memory of what happened to me. It doesn't erase the constant flashbacks I experience, and it doesn't end this nightmare I live every day. As much as I tried to avoid being in this situation, it doesn't matter because I still got violated. I still got linked to him. This is something I will have to struggle with for the rest of my life.
Never did I imagine that I would be treated the way you treated me. Everything you did to me affected my job and my home life. There were many evenings that I was upset and scared and not able to focus on my family. There were many nights I couldn't sleep thinking about work the next day. I felt completely alone and helpless, and I prayed to God that you would not come near me. The sexual advances escalated every time you had the opportunity to catch me alone or when no one was watching. I was terrified every minute you were in the office. Being forced to be kissed, touched, or hugged against my will was never appropriate. I felt trapped, suffocated, scared, and disgusted. I always knew this type of behavior was wrong, but never did I imagine that it would happen to me. You knew that I couldn't tell anyone, you knew that I couldn't defend myself, and it terrified me. I wish everything can be erased and taken out of my mind, but that is something I will have to live with for the rest of my life and my career. As a mother of a young daughter, I hope she never, ever encounters someone as sick as you.